Hey friends, welcome back to the shop for another episode. And although we have been periodically putting out videos on different projects, one thing that we have not done in the past 2 months, 3 months.
It's been a while.
Yeah, I've lost track of time. What we have not done is actually provided an update on Clara. And our good friend John, also a Mustang owner out in California, hit me up.
Hi, John.
He said, hey, so what's the update on Clara? I'm like, man, that's a great question. I didn't really think about doing a part 2. I just was too busy with everything else. But our friends over at Premier Classic Auto Restoration have also been busy with Clara.
Very busy.
Yes, and they have been pumping me with updates on pictures and videos, and we've gone over to the shop and taken a look to see all the good stuff with sanding her down and getting her curves all right. Yeah.
A little bit of fiberglass. A little bit of modifications.
Just a tad on the modifications piece. So, this episode is going to be bringing each of you up to speed on where she's at because paint has already started. She's getting a beautiful shade of makeup added to her. Very, very close to the original color.
As close as we can.
Close as we can to what we want. So in this episode, we're going to just share all the pictures with you all that are following along in this very long build. So you see where she's at, and then the next episode, we will do the unveil. Yes.
You got some baby cows?
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. We'll do the unveiling on the paint being done and all of the work, the stages of paint to get it to that final piece before we bring her back home and start to put her back together. Oh. Yes, yes.
She's going to be beautiful.
So, I hope you enjoyed the episode as much as we have enjoyed the last 2 months of work. So what did you think?
I think it's amazing. I think they've done amazing work.
Yeah, a huge shout out to the team there. Lyle, Doug, Marty, everybody that has put their hands on the Mustang itself to get her where she is right now, because they have spent a great deal of time going through every little imperfection, just trying to make sure every detail
matter.
is where we want it to be. I mean, at the end of the day, we want this thing to be absolutely gorgeous. So, next episode, probably here in the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should be able to roll out what she looks like finished.
Literally. Well, body-wise finished.
Yes, body-wise finished. Yeah.
Once we get her back to the shop, we will clearly have a lot more work cut out for ourselves.
Yes. So let us know your thoughts. What do you think so far? And are you excited to see how she comes out? So until next episode, thanks once again for following along in the build progress, as well as all the rest of the questionable decisions that we make around here. We certainly do appreciate it. So take care, stay safe. We'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.